We taking a long time to load there. Hello. Hey, everybody. Night move. There we go. Little TBH Pinot in the bottom corner. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a good day. I'm going to get rid of this to-do for right now, because we're going to be doing quarry things, and only quarry things. I want to do a quick little walkthrough of the stuff that I have been working on. Oh, also let me change my... do this every single silly little time. Very large right now. I'm gonna resize my Minecraft real quick. We're back. We're playing the craft. I feel like the amount that I think I've played the craft is less, because I just haven't streamed as much. So, even though it has been all that I've been streaming, it's like marginally like less, because sorry, I had some phlegm there. I'm sure you wanted to hear about my phlegm. It's like marginally less because, you know, I'm not streaming like every day when I am playing the craft like an obtuse amount. So let's see, what have we got? This stuff is all the same. We can chuck this. Oh, I actually did some pretty fun experiments that I can show. But, you know, we're really losing our roots here. We're losing our evil genius roots. We've become soft with the bees. As much as I love harnessing bees to produce every single item for me, which they pretty much can do, you know, I still need to do some evil stuff with mining. I feel like it's a good goal. Okay, so if I'm not careful, this is gonna poison me. I have to look for the poison. Looks like it's not poisoning me right now. But so I figured out the alviri. So I did some calculations. They were very simple. But okay, there's the poison. There's the poison. These guys poison me. They like to poison me. But I figured out how many fans I would need, how many heaters I would need to cover the whole temperature spectrum, and then also humidities. So I'm pretty happy with like how I have it set up, because it's so nice. So normally for humidity, if you want to make it less humid, like more arid, you have to pump lava into a hydro regulator in the alviri. But silly little funny little guy with a butt, since I have an alviri in the nether, the nether is like 100% arid, 100% hot, essentially. I mean, it's not in the actual percentages, because the percentages go above 100, but so 0% humidity pretty much. So I can use that, and I can put humidity back into it, because a sink provides infinite water. And so I have a really neat setup, and I automated it just really simply. It's the same setup I have, so it's a wooden transport pipe, and then that's powered by a redstone generator. Oh, hey, Hal's here. Hey, Hal. Dies a little bit. Powered by redstone generator, and then we've got the apiarist pipe, and it's feeding back into the system. And I do like this little trick, because I like to use item ducts wherever I can. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying not to get too close, because it's gonna poison me. And the reason why I was specifically doing jungle bees in there instead of like wintry bees or something was because I want to make the apiarist suit so that I won't get poisoned, and also so that I can do eldritch bees without getting killed to death by them, because this suit negates the negative effects of bees from hives. And you need the what are they called? The like wisps or whatever, the silk wisp things. and you get them from these silky combs. So that's over there. So I'm very pleased about that because I like the Alviri. I think that I'm going to have my item production be in those at some point. I have the solar power working as well, and it is very, very nice because... Oh, Hal died. Sorry, Hal. It's very nice because it pretty much, like, evens out with the solar. So, like, running the Alviri just takes essentially, like, no power. It doesn't take no power, but, like, it's not something I have to worry about. I also have some water bees going here. Just casually, you know, chucking them in there. Let's see what I have not shown you guys in the nether yet. This is like the, you know, the little show and tell portion. I don't remember if I showed this, but I moved all my farm to be flat. Oh, how did you crash? Oh, you died? I moved my farm to be flat. I think I showed you guys this already. I planted some more stuff. My Minecraft died. I have 5 chickens. They're all named after different Dawn Bowls, which is very cute, I think. Is there anything else I've really changed? Not really. I've just been... This has been kind of a sore spot. My filters aren't really working for this. Chicken, yeah. My filters aren't really working, so basically every bee just goes to get scrapped, but that's okay because I only have pristine ones up there anyway. I've been trying to work on getting a Sinister Queen, but it's yelling at me because it's not daytime, so I'll have to figure that out somehow. I might just have to put them in the Alviri, because this is just too good comb production to give up, you know. I just gotta have that running. So I'm gonna drop this stuff off, and then, so the goal is to make a quarry. And the reason why we need to make a quarry is so that we can get a good, reliable source of princesses, because you can get rocky princesses, as well as just me needing rocky princesses for mutations. But I thought we could do that, and that probably won't take that long. And then we can go back and we can work on my BOBOTS, because, you know, we're talking about quarrying, that kind of stuff, so I feel like that's an apt secondary step. So I'm not really sure what quarry to build. I don't actually know if it matters. I'm gonna do a little research, I think, first here about like what would be good. Because I don't even know if it's called a quarry. So let's pop up a little site capture here. That's my Twitch. You're loading Minecraft again? I believe in you. I think this is it? Yes. Okay, so FTB Revelation Quarry. Alright, so what's the best quarry? RF Tools Builder with a quarry card. A void miner might also be interesting. IC2 is a miner that target ores and doesn't mine much junk. Okay, frame quarries are always the best quarries. RF Tools Builder. Best quarry. I'm just going to read some of these Reddit posts. Trying to use mining dimension for ore gathering, but unsure. RF Tools Builder. Okay, RF Tools Builder. RF Tools Builder. Void, oh yeah, void miner, but like we're not going to do that right now. How to power a quarry. RF Tools Builder. Okay, so it looks like we're going to do an RF Tools Builder. I don't really know what that is. Best quarry is Seacraft. Change my mind. I don't know what that is. Do we have that one? Do we even have that mod? I'm looking for one quarry, like, princesses, because we want them to mine bees. I love these just, like, shitty sets. Google, what are you doing? What is Journal Mayo Video? Thank you for... quarry bees. Compact bee quarry. Ah, okay. I have made a compact energy bee-powered quarry to use in the mining dimension. Not sure I'd call it a quarry, but yes, that is how you generate resources with bees. What? How isn't RF tools a quarry? Let's see. Bee end goal. The end goal for bee breeding. Source for power. Closed automation systems. Yes. They're just fun. That's why I do them. Bees, quarries, and other power. What is a good setup for getting power bees? No, okay, we're not doing that. Is it possible to influence quarry bee output? A quarry bee breeding. I just want... Why was I doing bees? Well, I started doing bees because I wanted to do engineer. I wanted to make the engineer bee because I thought that would be funny. But then I realized that it's not actually that hard to make the engineer bee. And now I just want to, like, use bees to make a lot of different items. So, like, you know, for example, it'd be really nice if I just had a bee that could make blaze powder, because I use a lot of blaze powder for stuff. They're just kind of like my little side thing. They're just... There's a lot to do with them, and they take a long time, so that's why I like doing them. It's very, like, zen to me. I want to just know what... I don't know if does RF Tools Builder mine rocky hives? No rocky hives in mining dimension. Oh. If memory serves, an RF Tools quarry will break the hives and the drops will fall to the ground, not be collected. Okay, my mouse is running out of battery. I'm gonna have to get another battery for my mouse. I assume we don't have Ars Nouveau. I don't know what that is. But probably not. Okay, I need to go get another battery for my my mouse. I'll be right back. Yes, I use a wireless mouse. It's not very good. It's very old, actually. Let me just put on my... Oh, I can't even do that. I can't even... Mouse, can you work for like 2 seconds so I can put on my BRB? My laser death-powered... My death-powered laser of destruction. I just want to work... There we go. BRB. We did it. Okay, I'll be right back. I've returned with mouse. I should have done BRB. Oh, that would be beautiful, yeah. Okay, this sounds awful. I don't think this person knows what they're talking about. I don't think that person knows what they're talking about. Magic bees. I'm bored now. If the hives aren't generating, you could add a hyacinth. I got my quarry set to Silk Touch. Should not void them. Like, is this all with... Erg. Oh god. That seems kind of scary. Should we maybe just... Okay, I have an idea. Let's be safe. And let's do some experiments. We're gonna go to my testing world. And we're just gonna mine around until we find a rocky hive. Which shouldn't take too long. And then we'll set up some different quarries and see if they get it. I don't even know how to set up different quarries. So I guess the first one we'll try out is the builder. But I also don't really want to just scoop out random chunks of the overworld. So, let's see. Can a void miner mine rocky bees? Nope, it's not giving me anything bees. I hate Google now. How do I... quarrying bees? I might have to watch... Okay, quarrying bees, FTB. I might need to watch a video. Oh. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is like the worst. Weather clear. So this is my setup for checking out the bee stuff. So yeah, three heaters and 3 fans covers the entire temperature range, which is very nice. So I mean, it depends on where you are. You might need like 4 of one. So let's just dig around, I guess, until we find a bee. Not really sure how well this is gonna go. My Minecraft is being funky again. Do I have a torch that I can just hold? Is there like a... Can I get the mega torch? Mega torch. I don't know what level they generate at. What if I like get it? Wait, can I like hive? Oh, I can just put one. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Never mind. What am I thinking of? Me digging around in the dirt like a heathen. Okay. Let's try, and I'm gonna do the mining stuff like kind of away from me, just in case it like is giant and scary. Okay, so we'll put one there. Okay, RF Tools Builder. I need to make some YouTube shorts on like bee stuff. Quarrying, let me try quarrying rocky bees, FTB, finding rocky bees from start to finish, bees automation. Okay, let's try the builder. So it seems like it's just okay. That's awesome. It's none of those. Builder, RF tools, press shift. quarry items, pump liquids, swap structures, collect items. Oh my god, it can do so much stuff. We're not going to care about that, though. Okay, I made an advancement. The builder. Bob the builder. Thank you. Okay. Okay, whoa. So copy from space chamber to here. Moving blocks make sound. Support preview mode disabled. Entities are not moved. Do a single run. No highlighting. What is this? Builder at north corner? Okay. I guess I need a card. Quarry. Shape card. Dimension 555. Okay, quarry, silk quarry, fortune quarry, clearing. I guess we should just try maybe this one? Okay, box, solid, hollow, solid. Maybe we try like 10 by... No, I think 5 is good. 5 by 5? Box, top dome, bottom dome. Oh, shoot. Why can you do these? Why can you do a heart? Okay, we're gonna do a box. I'm gonna put this below the quarry, I guess. I'm gonna put it there. Copy. Okay, it needs power. Redstone mode on to activate. Ignored. Off to activate. On to activate. Also, you have a... Okay, let me get a lever. Sneaky lever. Dark utilities. Is the title a Deep Rock Galactic reference? Yes. Absolutely. Let's put it on... Let's put it on my solar power, I guess. Nice. Yes. I'll put this on Oopie, I think it is. Really giving my solar a run for its money. It's going, though. So if I, like... Okay, wait. Do a single run and stop. Keep running with redstone signal. No, do a single run and stop. Ice, rice, and everything nice. Oh! Is it going? Is it doing? Is it going? Moving blocks make sound. Whoa, okay. Oh, shoot. Well, that's not very useful, is it? Okay, well, turn it off. No highlighting. Visually okay, yeah, visually highlight. It should be at the north. Not enough room. Or no usable storage. Yeah, that would make sense. Oh! Oh my god. Whoa! Oh, thank you for contributing to that. Okay, so that worked, I guess. Northwest. Stop. Oh! Because you said it to run once? Whoa, it got it! It got it, it got it, it got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Okay. We're winning. We're winning. I don't know why it's like... Did it turn that into dirt? Okay, it turned it into dirt. Well, so it doesn't... well, so it takes everything, but it leaves the blocks. See, so like if I put that there, you can see it's getting more dirt. Which is good. Even Astral can't do that? Well, I think that's just because the hive doesn't exist anymore when it breaks, so it just puts dirt there if it, like, breaks, I'm guessing. So, okay. Okay. How much, like... How hard is this thing to build? So it does take the queens, which is all we needed to know. That's good. How do you build this? Okay, I just typed your. This thing seems like it would be so hard to build. Oh, actually not that hard. What? Well, maybe the quarry card is hard to build then? Or maybe it takes like a shoot load of power. Machine frame? That's also not hard. What? This is so easy. Okay, well, okay, we're gonna try and do this then. So, that's good to know. It's also good to know that you can't re-get the same hive a lot. I like that. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna build that then. And maybe I'll go to, like, the desert to test it. It seems kind of OP that you can just mine the same thing without mining it. I mean, I'm not mad, but, like... okay, I need to eat some... I won't waste the jerky. Let's go make some little food things. What can we make? This is the best thing we can make, I think. I want to redo this room at some point, too. I like it, but... I wonder if there's any... Is there anything new we can make? Beet soup? Sorpa... boiled egg. Chicken katsu. There's a zombie pigment in my face. Oh, we can make manju. Couldn't make that before. What did we get? Peppermint omelet. Vegemite. Stuffed duck. I think I put onions in there so we can make that. That'd be a fun thing to do also. Try and, like, make the most top tier food in Pam's. I really should automate this ender lily. But, you know, whatever. I'll leave that in there. I don't want to have to... I just took it out, but whatever. So, okay, making the builder. This thing is crazy OP, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so let's make the machine frame first. Got that. So then all we need is the bricks, which is just clay. So that'd be, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that means we need 2 pieces of coal. Cool. That was not hard. Well, I mean, we should check out what the quarry card needs. I have not checked that yet. Let's see. So, get rid of this. It's gonna be like, beat the Ender Dragon. What? Okay. Okay. So you can either make a clearing quarry or a regular quarry. Okay, well, let's make this one. So what do you need to make a shape card? Oh my god, like nothing. What is this? This is so OP. How is this allowed? I'll just grab another piece of coal and put that clay in there. This is like really OP actually. Okay, so we made the shape card. Okay, we do need to make a diamond pickaxe and a diamond shovel. I don't have sticks. Define OP. But like the reason why I'm saying it's OP is like you can like clear out dirt and like just I mean maybe it just uses like a butt ton of power. Who knows? Okay, well I just made it. There we go. Now we just have to wait for these bricks to smelt. I mean, I'm just gonna be using it to get bees. So like, you know, we're not really I'm not running it all the time. I'll just use it for a couple things probably. But that seems like very it's funny. Let's check the traveler's logbook. How do I even check that? Astral Sorcery, Ender IO, Botania, Traveler's log. Oh, that's not it. I should produce some more Fluix. TBH. Craft a portable cell. Storage IO port. Pattern terminal. Carts. Where's the traveler's logbook? How do I get there? Is it an actual book that I have somewhere? It might be. Time to Google. Traveler's logbook. FTB. It's an item and it's unfinished. Awesome. But that was 4 years ago, so let's see. Oh, wow. This is like a... the 1021st edition? The Extreme book? Wait, that's actually wait a second. This might be good. I'm gonna make this because... do I have refined uranium? Shit. Do I have any uranium? Oh, I do actually. Wow. That must have been from some... I need to make a book. I need to make a book. I want to make this for my friend. Oh, that's cool that I can make that. I can just make that. Oh my gosh, wait. This actually exists? That's crazy. I don't need to do reactors, but... what does it say? Wait, let me... let's do some light reading with the Extreme book. Oh my gosh, it gives you the fundamentals. Oh, this is perfect. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh boy, don't do that. Don't get out of here. Get out of here. Don't do that. Wait, that's awesome. Oh, Hal's here. Hey, Hal. I did not make enough bricks, I don't think. Did I? No, in what world did I make enough bricks for that? Oh, wait, I did. Okay. I need to make the... builder. Here we go, baby. Builder. Okay, there we go. We got it. Help? What do you need help with? I'm gonna need a flux plug also. Definitely. So let's make that. Or a flux point provides energy. Wow. No? Uh-oh. The stars? Not sure what that means, but... Oh, lol. Get wrecked. I have ender pearls. I just don't have any blaze powder, I don't think. I do! I have one blaze powder! It wanted me. It wanted me to make this. Let's go. That, and then... There's some stuff I could get out of here. I don't need another recycler. I don't really need any transfer pipe or transfer nodes. Flux plugs I do. Shadow Queen? Why did I have this here? Oh, Sinister and Rocky. No, I don't need that. I don't need another centrifuge. I don't need another filter. What else do I not need? I don't need wireless modems right now. Yeah, that's pretty good. I don't need that. Don't need a bat box. Don't need glass fiber. I don't need a dank null. Don't need a mill. This stuff is done. Okay. Spring cleaning. You know how it is. Wait, receives energy? No, I need a flux point. Do I not have enough redstone? Oh, I do. Okay, good. I got worried there for a sec. But we're going to be doing BOBOTS after this. So if I can find, like... Basically, if I can find one queen, then we're chilling. If I can go to this desert and find one queen, then... This book makes me wonder if there are other books that just, like, aren't in the Akashic Tomb. Buildcraft Guidebook. Okay, well, there's a lot of bookshelves, but, like, printed book. Crafting for Blockheads book. Extreme book. Ball of Moss? Oh. Wait, oh, it's in there. Huh. Anyway, let me put up, I'll put up a modem on here, so I don't forget that. Okay. We are going on a little journey to the desert. Got a slime sling over there. Bink, 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 bink. That's like close enough. Yay, there's my friend's house. They're on vacation right now, but hopefully I can catch them playing sometime so we can stream together. Let's see. Wow. I just want to go here just because I don't mind messing up the desert. Sorry, desert. But I do mind messing up other stuff, especially if people are around, so. You know, just like if we were testing any sort of, you know, explosion, we'd want to be here. Okay, perfect. I think this is a great place. So we're going to put the builder down. I want to do a single run. I want to highlight. I want to put this card in. I do need a lever, which I did not make. I need a chest as well. But let's put the flux point there. And I need a chest. I guess I also need a crafting table. Whoopsie. That's not a crafting table. God damn it. I don't know why I thought I could just do that. There we go. Put that like right there. We can make this chest. That can go right there. Okay, I don't want to put that on. I'm gonna put that on the Alviri thing real quick because that's my solar power, and so I need to make a lever real quick. I might actually not need to make a lever. Should I just try putting it on it? Let's just put it on it. So it's slurping it up right now. And I want to put the builder at the southwest corner. No. Northeast, I think. Is it going a little slower? It is filling up, though. Is it going on to activate? No, I think I need to make a lever. Let's go get some stone. Is there any stone over here? There's gotta be stone, like, right here. Yeah, right? Like, if I just go down here. This is somebody's stuff. I can't steal this. Wooden storage crate. Stone, please. Stone. Thank you. I just need one piece of stone, literally. Lol. And then we'll hop back over there. I should probably put, like, a thing. Oh, God, that is not where I meant to go. Oh, please don't knock me into the water. Where was I? Uh-oh. I remember that beehive. I will put a waypoint here on my map so I know where I am. Let's do that. New builder. I'm gonna make it gray. I got a lot of stuff in here. Now you wait for what? For light wells. Oh, that sounds cool. Okay, I got a lever. Okay, it did not work. Oh, I forgot. I need to configure this. Void. Okay, these are the... Oh, no, don't void sand. I want to... I'll just do a simple one. Did it work? Is it going? Why is it not going? Why is it not going? Cool but slow. 7 millibuckets per second. Make more. There you go. Then you'll have more than 7. Oh, you need 3 more buckets. You have to go? Oops. Okay, bye. Lol. I wonder why this is not working. Sneak, right click. Oh, it'll replace it with dirt. Can this work? That would be awesome. Okay, well, it is not working. I feel like it's doing something, but it's like not. Is it voiding all the sand? Is that what it's doing? How do I open this? What if I click that? No, it's not doing anything. What the heck? Hello? Hello? 5 is good. I like that. Solid, please. I don't want to void that stuff. Current level not scanning. Whoa, okay, it did it. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Wait, so if I Okay, it replaces it all with dirt. Which is like maybe... I mean, it's better than nothing, I guess. I should probably put it in a place with dirt then. Okay, that's cool. Got a lot of sand. That's fun. I think it's time to... Let's head home real quick. Okay, well, that's interesting. I guess I'll play around with that, more later. Let me grab... I think I have maybe some silk wisps. No, I have some silky propolis. Though. Oh, and some silk wisps. So we'll, throw these in a centrifuge. And throw these in here. Yeah, I need like 216 to make the full set of armor, which sucks, but... Oh, I didn't ping! Oopsies. Whoopsie. Oops, whoops. Should we do some robot stuff? I'm down to do robot stuff. It's been a while. I kind of want to think about code again. You know what? Let's splurge. I'm going to go straight to the mining dimension. I'm just going to chill out. We're going to do some code, I think. Okay. So let me grab this. This is the other ender chest we have. And we're trying to work on the refueling system. That would be like a great place, I think, to start. I'm not really sure where I want my BOBOTS to dig. But I can have some of them. Let's have one of them go out. And I was working on just kind of opening this up. I want basically all of this to be... I want all of it to be open except for the... Yeah, you can see, like, I want this to be open. Let's just, like, hang out and dig a little. You know, this is a chill day. It's a rainy day here on the East Coast. And, you know, sometimes I just want to dig a little. I want to do some robots. If we could get them to refuel, that would be very cool. That would be very epic, actually. I'm still a little worried about the implications of like, the... how do I put it? I guess just the indexing system in general for them, because I don't want them to, like, lose track of where the ender chest is, or for some reason not have an ender chest on them. And I might end up doing that by, like, voiding, like, maybe having them, like, throw dirt away or something. I don't know yet. But I feel like if I do it on a small scale, like a trial scale, it won't be that big of a deal, you know? So just keep this area opened up. And if I could find the bug that makes the hole in the wall, this hole in that wall, that would be so cool. That would make my day. I do want to loose one robot. This is not my correct bag, but I will put away this. Put away that. Some of this stuff we can just toss. And we'll put the eggs away, and I still don't know where I want them, where I want to, like, have them test. I feel like over here could be a good place. Like, there's a nice big wall. We could also go up. That's a possibility. But let me just, like, set loose a little guy here to dig. And yeah. So, let's see. This is, like, kind of a good place over this way. You know, I might as well just do it, like, here. You know, it's real close to, like, the stairs. Yeah, let's do it here. Okay. So, we're going to be working on the mom code. And these guys need to be in, I guess, her inventory, but they would probably be in an ender chest or something. Or just a chest next to her. So we'll put that there. We'll put a couple of them in her. I want to test the refueling code. So let's look at the code, in fact. So we're not actually going to be looking at the mom code. We're going to be looking at the DIG condensed code. So... Alright, so this might also be interesting to change, finally. I would like to do this should be an input, you know, at some point. Hey, it's Rev. It's Rev, my friend Rev. We're gonna get there. I was thinking we could maybe I would maybe do a smaller channel point goal of model art reveal. Because that might be fun to do, because I don't really have a specific day that, like, I need. Bit by bit, baby. Bit by bit. So real. So this is where we check. This is where we do the refueling. That'd be fun. I think it'd be fun, too. Did I just change that to Ertl? Okay. Ertl. So we select one. We're gonna place it up. We suck it. We refuel, we drop up, and then we dig up. Because this will have that bucket. That's the lava part, and the bucket gets refueled. So we need to put in the dig function, average Saturday night, suck up and dig up. And also I want to make this delay a little longer because I was having some issues with gravel. Cool. So to test this, we're going to need to have a turtle. I think we should just make a new turtle to test this. Rev, did I make a turtle for you yet? Let's see, I have one for egg, clam, umbra, storm. I don't have a rev turtle, so we'll make a rev turtle. I don't think so. Let me put this on. Oh, did I fix the paste bin issue? No turtle. Well, we're gonna see if I fix the paste bin issue. My paste bin. Minecraft. Okay, so I just put the refuel. I did not put the dig. So we'll do dig condensed, and we're gonna edit this, and we're gonna chunk this thing in here. We save that. This is also perfect because I'll just load the newest version onto the rev bot. So we need to make a rev bot. I have enough EXP to just pop back here when I so please. So we'll make a rev bot real quick. I think I have enough diamonds, probably. Let's grab a turt. Mining turtle. Well, okay, I need to make a turtle. And I need to make a computer. And I don't have enough to make a computer, of course. I don't have any stone? Bruh. Let's just, like, smell, like, I don't know, 16. That's good enough. We only need 3, so we'll keep an eye on that. I should probably make that be a pressure plate, but, like, whatever. Oh, I forgot to get my code off screen. I should really have that on a toggle. What? Let's do it right now. Why not? We got time. What should I have as this as a toggle? Wow, that was words. How do I make a? Can I make it be a command? To toggle the visibility. Can I do that? Properties, filters. Like, can I apply a chroma key? I can chroma key white. How's everybody like that? How is everybody like that? That looks probably horrendous. That's awful. I can't believe I did that. We're getting that off. Get out of here. Delete. I guess I'll just have to do it manually. That sucks. I hate being manual like a human. I don't know, I just tried to put that back in there. Okay, here we go. Computer, and then, whoa, why is that all? No, well, whatever. Turtle. Mining turtle. Uh-oh. I need to make a diamond pickaxe. I need to make me a diamond pickaxe. I really need me some more diamonds, TBH, but, who gaff? I'm gonna just name this robot Rev. Should I just name it Rev? Should I name it RevFull? What are we thinking? Rev is the one getting turted, so... Should we do capitalized? Lowercase? Rev, probably. Okay, we'll do lowercase. I think all the rest of mine are lowercase. Sorry, I threw you on the ground. You can call me Rev. RevFull was my father. Was my father. I love typing, I love typing words as if you were saying them with a Boston accent. That's one of my favorite things. I think the one that I always do it for is don't get me started. Always type it started. Okay, Rev, we're gonna load this paste bin code, and it's gonna be so swag, and then we're gonna see if you can refuel. Okay, so paste bin, get I typed that wrong. Oh, whoops, paste bin. Get that dig. Oh, okay. Whew, big, whew. Really glad that that worked. Okay, so you get dig. You need the ender chest. So I'm gonna give you the ender chest. I need to move you, so I'm gonna take the ender chest. Okay, let's see. That's lava. I don't really want you riding over lava for your first test run. That seems a little scary. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Okay, we put this here. We run dig. Refueling. You did it! You did the thing! Oh my gosh! You did it! Holy shit! That makes me so happy. That actually worked! Oh my god! Okay, well that's great. That's great. You're schmoovin'. Yeah, you refueled and like it actually worked and you don't have a bucket in your inventory or anything. These give power. Okay, sorry. I'm like getting so distracted. Oh, there's male wife. Where is male wife? Let male wife go there. So that's great. That means I do need to make a bunch of ender chests though, which is a lot. Practicing my turtle tech. Can I explain flip-flop? Like the concept of flip-flopping? Or like the shoe? Or I'm a little confused. It's a kind of shoe that you wear. I'm pretty sure that's not what you are asking about. I'm assuming it's a comp sci thing. Computer architecture. Let's see. Oh, circuits. Oh, not electronics? That looks confusing. I don't know what that is. You're getting to the point where, like, you're moving past my very limited knowledge of CS stuff. I'm a lot more, like, adept at, like, breaking down how to think about programs and stuff. Like, that's kind of like I'm very much a problem solver. I don't know about flip-flop. That seems like electrical engineering turned computer science thing, and that's scary to me. I assume it has something to do with switches. That's all I got. Sadly. Okay, let me chuck some of these. Ding dang. A logic gate? A logic gate? I do actually know a little bit about logic gates. I'm trying to think about, like, yeah. So, I mean, I don't know enough about them as, like, actual physical gates that you do, but, like, I mean, it's kind of the same stuff as, like, when you're putting arguments into a function, like and not, and nor, and XOR, and that kind of stuff. That's a lot more like logic. That's, well, it's not only logic, it's also comp sci, but, like, to me that is, there's a lot of logic stuff going on there. Where did I leave Rev? Where's Rev? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, where'd Rev go? Oh, there's Rev. You're not gone, don't worry. Also, you got the gravel. You missed the grout. That's great. You'll never find me. You successfully evaded the gravel, which is a big milestone in any bot's life. Truly, because the gravel is the worst thing ever. Like, you actually cleared out the whole area, even though there was gravel there. Like, big congratulations there. Have I finished a machine intelligence class? I'm not a computer science major. I have worked with machine learning stuff, but it was back in the day when it was kind of different. I say back in the day as in like 4 years ago, which is kind of, I guess, back in the day for a lot of like, because I did generative networks, which is, you know, the hot new thing everybody's talking about, but I did it before it was like that. Before Stable Diffusion. Back in my day, we had adversarial networks, generative adversarial networks. What kind of math does it require? Well, funnily enough, I didn't take any math when I was learning it. I didn't know any calculus. I just went in as a sophomore in high school and was like, I'm going to learn AI. And I did get it. You can get parts of it without math, but like linear algebra, definitely. Absolutely. Like you need matrices and tensors and that kind of stuff. Tensors is like graduate, but like you would learn tensors, some disjoint set. I did not do that. I would say most likely it's going to require like calculus, multivariable calculus, and then probably like linear and differential equations. But I don't think, I mean, it depends on if you're, it depends on the level you're making the models at. It depends on like what kind of models you're making. The level of proof you have. So like whether or not you're approaching ML from like a math side versus like a computer science side. Because if you're approaching it in a math way, you're going to need more math, which I feel like is kind of obvious. So I didn't necessarily need to say that, but because there's a lot of math involved in machine learning, but there's also a lot of computer science. Sorry, I was just zoning out because so we're gonna have to do something a little weird. Is the math crazier in engineering than comp sci? It totally depends on what comp sci you're doing. I don't think the math in engineering is that crazy. A lot of the engineering, quote-unquote, math that you do that, like, isn't, then again, I'm not a great litmus test because I like math, but I will say that a lot of, like, actual engineering math is very calculation-based, is very, like, plug and chug. It's not a lot of theory once you get to a certain point of knowing how to solve certain things. So, you know, it depends on what you consider as, like, hard math, I guess. Comp sci math is more of an algorithm. Yeah, I would say comp sci math is definitely more theoretical than engineering math is, and in applied math in general. Just because, you know, you're probably going to be doing more theory, because you have to do, you know, if you're doing like optimization of algorithms, or if you're doing like big O notation stuff, that kind of stuff is all very mathy. If you learn graph theory, that definitely makes sense. I don't have to learn graph theory. I am just a little, where did Ref go? Oh, there's Ref. I am just a little, engineering guy. You beat the gravel again! It's literally so swag. So the 0.3 seconds is really really the sweet spot, I think. Because that's to fall. Okay, so what are we trying to fix next? So we have a couple things that I have to figure out. I don't know how the turtles are gonna get the ender chests that they need. I don't know. We still don't know how they're gonna be loaded. Like, the code is gonna be loaded onto them. That's still up in the air from this bot over here. Dial-up internet? I had to learn, like, I only learned, like, the basics of internet, like, this is what a package is, like, this is how it travels, you know, that kind of stuff. If you wanna, there are probably a lot of really good explanations online about internet stuff like that, because that kind of stuff is actually, like, interesting to people, versus, like, if you're like, can someone please teach me set theory? You're probably gonna have a harder time finding that. With a speaker, you could play sounds. Let's try and find that one little bug. Okay, so it's gonna not be in here. It's gonna be in, probably in. It would be in the right row, I think. No. Is it in the first row? Where do these dents happen? Am I good at PHP? I haven't started learning PHP. I do want to learn PHP though. Cause I want to do, it's actually going on the back burner a little bit. But there is a project that I want to work on that requires PHP. But like, I don't know if they're taking volunteers for it, or if they will take volunteers for it, and if not, then I'm going to do JS, because, let's be real, JS has a lot of good practical applications, and if you're going into that space, I would suggest knowing JS. Not to say that PHP isn't useful, but... Okay, so okay, so it's not on the left, so we're gonna have to wait for that. Do I know a project about Spotify API? A project about, like, one that uses it? Like, are you looking for an idea for a project, or is this like one thing that like I haven't heard about that's like a one thing? Like a music queue. I have not experimented with it, but working with APIs like that is a great way to like get experience for stuff. Okay, so it's not on the first row. So it's probably on the second row, and then which way? So this is a... That's a right row. I'm guessing it's just we have one loop overflowing. That's the left row. So... yeah, on the second one. Got it. And it just does it on the first one. Like the Google API? Yeah, that's also, yeah. Working with any API, just like getting to know different APIs and like how to use them and input them is super great. Even if it's just a small project, you know? Sorry. EP. So it's the first time it goes on the second row. It's turning right and then hitting that one. So let's see. Does Python have a built-in API? So I've done a little bit of library work because I did write my ML stuff in Python, and you can You can link APIs in Python programs. Like, you can do integrations. Does Python have a built-in API? Like, I mean, it has, like, it's Python. So, like, there are certain functions and stuff and libraries that you can call, like, within a normal Python, like, space. I don't know if that's what you mean. Okay, so I need to look at not the first... So this is the first dig layer, the first dig line, odd dig line. This is the setup for the next layer. This is what we care about. So tri-line starter for the second layer. This is fine. The setup is fine. This is going to be towards the end of the second layer. So first dig line to the right. So that's what we're calling right. Setup for odd dig line. If I is not equal to x, turtle.turnRight, turtle.forward. What algorithm do I use in this program? Recursion? It's not recursion, it's just a bunch of nested loops. There's probably a way better way for me to do it, but the way that I have it done is kind of, do I have backtracking in it? Lua is kind of a weird language. So it's very rudimentary. I'm just trying to figure out odd dig line to the left, setup for even dig line, closing line on the odd layer. This is what it would be. So it's going to dig up, turtle.forward. But it's the issue is the issue is the dig right. Which design pattern did I use it? I don't know what you mean by that. Like, when I design, like, programs like this, normally I'll just, so, you know, you have to figure out kind of, well, in an engineering sense, because I, you know, do it engineering style. Like, I want to get my, like, brief, so normally I'll just, like in this case, I was like, what's the most efficient way to get all these blocks coal-wise? Factory or singleton? I just wrote it by hand. I don't know what those are. Let me Google. In Java? What? Factory design pattern? This is not... There's not multiple classes in this. This is just, like... It's literally just, like, instructions for one guy to do something. And then you run this. It is very, very rudimentary. So it's doing it on the off layers. Turtle.forward. So it's on this dig right. If I is not equal to x, I think maybe if it's I is not equal to x minus 1. But I don't really want to... No prototyping? I mean... The thing is, like, you write code, you upload it to Pastebin, you load it onto the turtles in-game, and then you can run it in-game. It's very simple. So I can fix that bug, I think, but I don't know how to... Not that I don't know. It's like I don't really want to fix the... Where's my... There's no classes. There's no classes. Look, this is the... So the program I have is just called dig. It's just like lines of code. And then I just run it. And then it runs it. If it were like, you know... It's not object-oriented programming. There's no like classes. It's just like the data is all stored within that one file. So you define like local variables and stuff, and it's not really like real programming. It's like it's a lot more like Arduino or something, where you're programming maybe like a microcontroller and you're just like giving it instructions to do. Even object-oriented is not easy. Yeah, I was watching this one video by this one guy. I really like Voidstar Labs, Zach. He's Zach Friedman. He's such a cool guy if you like engineering stuff and coding stuff. And he was talking about how object-oriented is like actually a lot harder than doing not object-oriented. And I have always done object-oriented because that's really all I knew was out there. But like after watching that, I was like, no, he's got a point. He's got a point. I could just do a little code recall. They have different design pattern. I did not learn like design pattern. The thing that I learned when I was in school, which I didn't really use, but is kind of similar to how I end up doing programming, is like, it's called top-down design, which was you basically just, I mean, it's like a combination of like pseudocode essentially. Like you just, oh, thank you for the follow. Let me grab
Denver 220 has been added to
Denver.
the class.
I like that. Denver. It reminds me of remember, which is a misspelling of remember when I want to be funny silly. Yeah, I don't know. I just like do top-down design. I don't have to actually like architect out things, but like when I do I mean, yeah, it's hard for me to explain because the most stuff I mostly do web dev these days. I'm a fellow cat boy. Meow, meow, meow. Always nice to see a fellow cat boy. I love cat boys. I am one. So swag even. Literally, cat boys have to stick together. I was gonna say I'm a coder cat boy. It's kind of inaccurate at this point. I'm not really that much of a coder anymore. I dabble. I kind of want to do a whole rehaul of this program. Should I do it? Should we just like take the time today and like chill out and just like restructure this program so it's actually like better? Oh, that would kind of be swag, and then I could like fuck it, weeball. I'm gonna do it. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna make a new folder in here. Deprecated. Crazy that software channels and Twitch tend to have high viewership. A lot more than math. Well, people hate math. People do not like... I call that replicated. People do not like math. Sadly. Yes, move, and then move that into that as well. So we're going to make a new... and then I also want to do tests. But you need math for CS? You kind of need a different kind of mindset for math for CS. You know? We're going to call this DIG. I'm straight up just going to call it DIG.LUA. Our classic DIG. Okay, so let's take a look at what kind of stuff that we definitely need here. Okay, turtle.refuel. I like this. This is good. This is the initial, so we're going to call this... how do I do comments in Lua? I forget. Oh, they're stupid. I forget. Oh, they're just 2 lines. This is initial. This is pre-dig startup. You need math for CS, more discrete math. Yeah, I think the reason why people like software is because, like, there is definitely some software you can do that you don't need a lot of, like, discrete math for. I mean, it could just be that your direction, because I know people who are in CS who don't have to do, like, who don't have, like, an algorithm path. It's, you know, focused on other stuff. Because, like, if you're doing efficiency, if you're doing optimization, anything like that, then yes, you need that kind of stuff. Okay, so this I would like to say is a variable, or dig space definition. It's always about the money. Honestly, I will say what drew me to computer science, because I was originally going to major in CS, and then I didn't, because engineering, baby. But it's not really the money. It's like, A, it's the flexibility in terms of projects you can work on, and B, it's just like the, if you want, allow me to, I can send a pic of my OC. Oh yeah, sure, totally. Or you can just send a link if you want in the chat. I allow links. I would love to see a fellow Cap boy. I love seeing Cap boys. But yeah, to me it was about like the problem solving, you know, like, because CS is very much like an art form in terms of problem solving. And I don't think people see it as that, but for me it was very exciting that I could be, you know, doing problem solving and making stuff. You made it on a game? Oh, cool. So these are the basic building block functions. I might have refuel. I want to go from the easiest. So dig is the first thing we do. Dig. And then we have dig left. What is a block function? Oh, it's not a technical term. Just a building block is like, you know, it's like the foundational kind of stuff. Oops, I did not copy that correctly. I'm a very, like, visual person, so I like to have a lot of, like, visual organization in my stuff as well. So we have our digs all together, which is very nice. So then we move up in the difficulty, which is the left row, which is a row that turns to the left, and then we have our right row, because I'm doing left first. There we go. So that's all nice and done, and we'll put refuel at the very top, because that's like the most basic thing. We always want to refuel. I could put it at the very top and then call turtle like refuel like this, but I don't think I need to do that. It's just gonna refuel if I put coal in it. I honestly don't even need to do that, but printing the fuel level is very important to me. Okay, so we've got all that. That is very yummy. So now we want to do the initial setup. I like that. That's a good description. Initial setup before initial setup ends turtle in 1-1, or we should probably say 0-0, i.e. the bottom, the closest left corner. Yeah. So it's going to dig, and then it goes forward, and then it digs up, and then right. So, good. I like that. Okay, now this is where things get absolutely stupid. Because all of it is one loop. Okay, I'm going to need to comment this very properly. I'm just going to copy the rest of this, and then we're going to go through each chunk and comment properly. So this is outer loop, or K, do I have them set for different, I should call them different things. So K loop controls Z height. Z is in every Z variable increment is actually another layer. Is that correct? That's probably not correct. Z is 3. No. So this is very important to keep track of, because the way that this code works is you do kind of have to do it in chunks of a certain in multiples of 2, which I definitely need to fix at some point, and we might fix that now. So like, for example, I don't need to be live on this server right now. No one else is on here. Just full screen this bad boy. Or full screen a little bit more. I love how if anyone were to come into this tag, they'd be like, why are you coding? You're not playing Minecraft. I swear I'm playing Minecraft. Okay, so for example, every Z increment is it's gonna be, I have it at Z minus 2, but I don't like that because that's probably not correct. This is initial dig layer. We'll call it Z loop. I should be consistent about it. I should do IJK, really. Oh, I have my I as, oh no, okay, that's, yeah. We'll call this the I loop. Controls X position. First layer I loop. Commenting code is hard. Every X variable increment is 2 extra X positions, I believe. So we have the first dig line to the right. Why do I have loop for Y? Y minus 2. Because Y is how deep it is. What is my setup for right row? Okay, I should comment these as well. Input. So J, okay. We'll start by commenting this. Or I'll comment left row first, because perfectionist. Let me pull out my little book here. Okay, so for a left row, I want to define like what A, B, and C are. Row that, so this is digs to the left, digs a line to the left of the bot. A, so for J equals 0, B 1. So we go until B. It's gonna go forward first. So I'm just drawing this out. I could draw this out in MS Paint too. So the turtle is like outside of the space, and it assumes there's an empty space in front of it. So we go forward. If it is not equal to B, then we dig. So we're gonna dig. And then at the end, we dig up and dig left. So why is there a C? What is C? Wait, and there's no A either. Wait, what? Why did I put an A, B, and C in here? Those are not the inputs that exist. Wait, why did I do that? Okay, it's just gonna be A, and we're gonna change this to A, and we're gonna change this to A. I don't know why there's an A, B, and C in there. That's so weird. Okay. I'm gonna make this I. I don't know why it's J. Oh, no, I know why it's J. Because it's referring to the Y. On the Y-axis. So A. So like, let's say we have A as 4. Let's just go for 4. So if A equals 4, we have at the start it's like out in front, and then it's gonna instantly move forward. And so A equals 0. And then it's gonna dig. And then it moves forward again, and it's gonna dig again. And then it's gonna move forward again. Because we move forward every single time. So that's 3. Now A is still 4, but A equals 4, so we're not gonna dig. Wait, do loops start at 1 in Lua? Oh, that's another thing. That is very interesting. So it just goes forward. A is the length of the row. But it's gonna be A is the length of the row the bot digs, but since the initial block is let me get a full comment. I forget how to do the full comments. I think I had one in Reddit test. Yeah. Oh, cool. I will check it out. Give me 1 second to write this real quick. Oh, I can just do that. There we go. Snatch this. Put this in here. Initial block. The initial the bot moves forward initially into an empty space. A should be set to -1 the desired length, I think. Where did you send it to me? On Twitter? I do not. Oh, well, I do check Twitter. Aw, that's so cute. I love them. I love the hair, especially. They're so cute. Oh, and the pan flag, too. I don't recognize the other one, but pan swag. And the hair clips are so cute, too. I can't tell if that's a trans hoodie, but actually based as hell if it is a trans hoodie. I think that's right. I think what we should also do is let's do a... Do I just have a... on my paste bin, do I just have like a test? Let's see, Minecraft. Dig, condense, simple, find, simple, mine. Let's just make a new paste bin, and we're just gonna call it like Minecraft test. Minecraft, or turtle test. And we're just gonna pop... I want to just have this function be in here, and then just call that function by literally just calling it and seeing what happens. And we're gonna call it with... So, the idea is that it's 1 minus the desired length, so we'll test it with 3, and we'll see if that is... Oh, the other flag is panromantic, bigender male, and pansexual, and panromantic. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, I know most flags, but I do know the do I know the bigender flag? I think I do. My confession is that I had never said bigender out loud, and whenever I read it, I put in an extra G, so I thought that it was big gender for like a really long time. I was like, oh, that's so cool, big gender. Okay, I popped that in, and then we can save that, create new paste, folder, put that in Minecraft. Okay, now we play Minecraft. Let's go to, I'm gonna go to my single player world, so we can just have a fresh turtle to load this onto. So the idea is that it should go... There's another version of the bigender flag for bigender male people. That's so cool. Yeah, I know there are like a lot of like newer flags. I am a little bit old school in the ones that I know, TBH. I do not keep up with the flags too much. Although I like seeing them when I do see them around. We could go to the mining dimension, or I could just... Let's do it... Let's do it over here on this island. I feel like this is a nice little place to test. Okay, this is a great place to test it, actually. So I want to test... I don't want to put it there. I want to put it... There should be one space. So we're going to do paste bin. Get. Paste that. And we're going to call it test1. Okay, so we got test1. We will need some fuel, so let's just snatch a lava bucket. Ugh, God. I might just have to open, like, is it, like, Lua? Yeah. Turtle.refuel. There we go. And then exit. Sorry, exit. Silly. There we go. Alright. So now we can test some things. And this should be, that lava should be like enough to test a bunch of stuff. Okay, so we're gonna just call test 1. Okay. Attempt to call global left row a nil value. I spelled row wrong. Love that. I love that. That's awesome, actually. There we go. At least the bigender flag I used before, I used to figure out I was a bigender male. I can send you an edit I did with the panoramic flag and bigender flag, so I can see where the bigender male flag colors come from. Oh yeah, sure, that's cool. Yeah, I pretty much only use the trans flag and then the Gilbert Baker pride flag, because I like Gilbert Baker pride flag. My brain just deleted itself. Okay, there we go. I got the basement code, and then we can do delete test 1 and call paste bin, get that, and we call it test 1. Okay, now we're good to go. Let's maybe set it to day. Perfect. Test 1. 1. Oh, it can't call dig left. Yeah, that would do it. That would do it, huh? I'll add dig left in there. Whoopsies, whoopsies. There we go. Save that. A little tedious, but it's okay. Put it there. Paste bin, get paste bin, get this, and test 1. Whew. Test 1. Okay. God damn it, can it not like turn right? No, I can't dig. Me when I put the building blocks, but then I don't use them. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm making an executive decision. We're making a new file called gentest.lua. Putting it in tests, yes. We're going to paste all of the basic functions. I'm not gonna show it on screen, but all of the basic functions are gonna go in there. And then we're gonna put in this one. And then everything will be happy and epic, and it won't run into any errors. Hopefully. So then this is a test bench. So we say left row, and we want to do 3. Typing fast. Put the identical in the littlest spaces possible in the edit. Let me see. Let me take a look. See. Sorry. Yeah. My typing. Did you? Oh yeah, you did message. There we go. Oh, message requests. Oh. Oh. Shit, yeah. Wait, this person messaged me on Saturday. Oh my gosh. I didn't even get message requests were a thing on Twitter. Let's see. Oh, that's so cute. Brain no work. Now I'm like, oh my gosh, I should message this person back. Or I didn't. God damn it, I hate Twitter. Twitter sucks, man. Why do they not give you your messages? Okay. Me saying 1 million times challenge. Okay. Updated test. We love it. We love to see it. It's gonna be awesome. This code is gonna be so good, and it's gonna be commented so well, and I'm gonna be able to update it so well. Okay, grab this code. There we go. We do delete test 1, and then we do paste bin, get that, and this will be test 1. All right. It's all set up to go. We do test 1. I'm gonna set the weather to clear. There we go. Okay. What the heck? Okay, well, that didn't do what I expected it to do. It turned. Why did it turn? What? When did it turn? Why did it turn? Hello? Is it supposed to go forward? Did I turn it? Well, we can always go again. There we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, cool. Okay, so it does what we think it does. So it'll have one space where here where it like doesn't it needs to have no block, and then it'll go. So we do want to input the length of the row -1 that we want. So that is good. Perfect. I love that. All right. So we can check and look at the same thing with the right for that. So we're going to say, copy this over. Dig's aligned to the right of the bot on the y-axis. A is the length of the... So yep, we're going to... Oh! That is weird. Why would I want to ever increment it more than 1? We don't want that. Okay. We're simplifying this. We're going to go back to just A. And then A here. And then this is 1. And then this is A. There's really no reason why we would want that. Okay, cool. Perfect. Beautiful. So we have all of our things set up. That does mean that we need to change the... Oh, is that supposed to be where it starts? Well, whatever. It doesn't really matter. So we need to change all of our right rows and left rows because we need to update that function. So that is a nice to know. Okay, so this is interesting. It's y-2. That's why it's y-2, because if we had 4, we wanted it to be in -1, but... Wait, why do we want y-2, actually? That seems counterintuitive. Why is it y-2? Is it because normally we do y-1? No, we always do y-2. Huh. So, well, let's update this to be y-2, because that's the variable we want in there. So we do the first dig line to the right, loop for y. So let's keep the thing the same. So this is first layer. This is like initial... I don't even know if I need to do an initial line is the thing. Because we have to set up, and then we set up for an even dig line. Oh. No, this is good. This is set up... No, this is just a first row. Oh, this is the J loop. Okay, so J loop. J loop, like, absconded. That's stupid. J loop inside function. Perfect. Okay. Controls, Y position. Every Y variable increment is 1 extra Y position. So then we're at the end of the right. We want to turn right. We go forward. We dig. Why do we dig again? That seems... Oh. Because, yeah, I know why. So yeah, we turn right, we go forward, we dig, we turn, we go forward, because we have to move past it, so... Because we just did the first one, and that's going to clear everything out on the right, and then we want to move past that. But do we need to dig for that? Let's run... Okay. Let's run let's run a rev bot on the server and see what see what that will look like. Okay, who's a bot that I have up here? Is there one up here? Is anyone running? Yeah. So normally what I'll do is I'll put it like before. I want to start running it like right here. Even though it's, you know, it's kind of counterintuitive, but... Okay, so it's gonna go... That's the setup. Now this is the dig line. Oh, that's maybe not... Oh, that's actually okay. Oh, I see. So yeah, you do have to dig because you're digging into the... Yeah, you're digging into the thing. So if I want to make... So the question is if we want to make it scalable, there needs to be a different package of the right and left rows, I think. Because we can do a right row and a left row, and it's really not that big of a deal. What is that? Did I do a combined row sometime? Oh, it's a setup. It's a setup layer. So, like, how would I want to do this? Let's pull out MS Paint, I think, is a good... Wait, is there... Oh, it's just digging dirt. I was like, I heard something. Let's pull out MS Paint. And let me just, like, zoom all the way in. There we go. So, let's say I want to do a... Let's use the one that we already have as our base, like our control group, kind of, which is an 8 layer wide. I don't know why I did it like that. Let's do 8 like this. So we have 1, and then this, and then this, and then this. This is ours with 8. What if we wanted to do 5? So we would do... So the robot would come... Let me draw it here. Do I have 2 colors? I do have 2 colors I can grab. I love you, MS Paint. We'll do a red. We'll do a green. Okay, so the robot would come through here and knock these out. And then it would come over here and go through here. And maybe just knock these out. Oh, wait, no. Because that's not... It's not efficient enough. We need the robot to go... Instead of there, we have it go... It knocks out this as well. And then it comes here. And it knocks out this one and these 2. Hi, Umbra. How's it going? Do I normally have it do 2 in a row? Am I, like, tripping? I think I'm tripping. I don't think I have it do 2 in a row normally. Yeah, I don't think I have it do that. I think because, like, with the 8, I have it go here, and then here, and then here, and then here. Yeah. How's it going, Umbra? It's been a while since you've been on the server. I have not done that much. TBH. Lots of bees. I'm so tired. Yeah. Real. Huh. Waking up and falling asleep for the past 4 hours? Oh my god, Umbra. Go get some sleep. Well, or actually don't do that. What the hell is that? That's not, I want to erase. Hello? Hello? There we go. Okay, so I want to do here, and then we'd have it go here. And just wouldn't do anything, I guess. The robot just moves, but it doesn't dig anything. Yeah, it could do that. It could do that. So it digs here and here on this, and it digs here and here on this. So this is a right row, and this is a left row, and this is just a walk row. So that could be interesting. We could package it as just an extra addition to a y-1 2x2. And I think the only one that doesn't work for is if it's like a one row. But like who cares if it's a one row? We're not digging bots to do that. Okay, let's take a little break. I want to do some bee stuff. It's been too long. It's been too long without my bees. What can we even do with bees? Let me get all my robots, actually, is the first order of business. Where did that guy just go? Here? 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 Uh-oh. I really should have them come down to the ground after they're done. But, you know. Okay, so what bots do I have in here? No one. Awesome. A lot of them are in here, but now I have 6. So these are our 4. Those are our 5, and then Rev is somewhere over here, I think. In the dark? Yep. Of course. There we go. Swag. Ooh, lapis. I should get some water. Oog. Oog, water. Oog. Okay. I like that idea. Of just having it be... I don't like how, like, nested my code is, though. I kind of want to maybe package it into, like, a left row. No, because I have that already. It feels still very... Like, maybe I'll package it into, like, a starting row and, like, that kind of stuff if I need to. Or maybe I'll package it into, like, have some functions that are, like, finalize row or something. Because it feels very, like, way too in the weeds. It's a lot of cobblestone here. Uranium. Okay, bees. You know, let's try and see if I take out this one, if that modest queen can be in here. Which is not totally great for me because... Nope, don't put those in there. Let me just check real quick. Oh, yeah, they're a lot. Lol. Blol. Uh-oh, I forgot which one is which. I think it's this one? You're finally off bees, back to robots? So happy. Yeah, no, I'm doing robots. I swear I'm doing robots. It's just, see, the thing about the robots is, like, it takes an immense amount of brain power. It's also, like, it's just not so, like, I mean, as long as people are, like, not bored on stream, like, I don't mind doing robot stuff, but I feel like watching me code is maybe not the most, but maybe I'll do, like, maybe instead of just, because I'm probably just going to keep playing FTB. Oh, because I was thinking about it, I was like, oh, I could do my lion stuff, my, engineering project on stream, because I haven't been working on that outside of stream, because I've just been working on my debut stuff. But I don't want to do that because, like, I don't want to risk, like, letting out the exact dimensions of it Because if I actually end up, like, patenting it or something, like, that would just be really... Because I do want to sell them at some point, but... And yeah, so it's just annoying because, like, the only other two things I'm doing are working on my debut stuff or would be working on my lion, and I can't do either of those on stream. So unswag. Oh my god, there's still more bees. Okay, does this work? Okay, let me just check. Yeah, that's the one I... Cool, so I need to... I think you fail to realize your audience. Yeah, my audience... You mean my audience of 0 people? We come and watch you do math on stream? No, that's actually so real. That's so real. You are so right. Yeah, I should just do that. You're right. Okay, let me put this... I'll let that be go... Doing code is not any different. Community challenge 75% complete. Let's go. I could shorten that challenge. I didn't realize it would be so much because I know you guys have so much, but like, I'm so sorry. I can edit it. Honestly, I should probably edit it. But like, isn't it gonna be so satisfying when you guys finally get to the crazy goal? I didn't realize how crazy it was. I can finish it, but like, you can't contribute more than that in a stream, right? Or am I dumb? Did somebody one-guy me? Somebody might have one-guyed me. Yeah, I know. You can only give like 2K per stream though. Yeah. So that's why it's like... No, only everyone can only give 2K. I didn't realize that's how they worked. That's why I'm so sad. I just decided to extend it because, like, it's whatever, you know. We'll get there, and like, you guys know I'm gonna do it anyway, so. Because it was either that or just refund everybody's stuff, and I was like, well, that's kind of boring. Like, you don't have that much stuff to spend your stuff on anyway. Although, again, working on that for debut. Alright, well, let's go do some coding, because Umbra is here and said that I can do coding. So, let's figure out a better way to package that code, I think, is the best. It's honestly so nice to do a rehaul, because, like, I wanted to do a rehaul, and I was like, it's too boring to do on stream, and then I wasn't doing it offline, because normally I don't do that kind of stuff offline. And so it's just really nice. It's really nice. I kind of want to make this central area more grand. I wanted to have a big tree or something. Alright, so with respect to coding stuff, let's look at... So right now the way I have it set up is we only have the right rows abstracted into different like the right and left rows abstracted. So we have like a setup function, we have another setup function. Okay, so these setup functions are the same except for the directions in them, which is, we could do like a case statement or something. But I actually really like, this first layer is very like clean. I think it's actually pretty clean. Oh, let's change this left row to be correct as well. y-2. I still don't exactly know why it's y-2, and I don't like that I don't know that. It's because... Oh, wait, why do we do that? I have an extra dig in here. So it digs, and then it goes forward, and then it digs again. Oh, because it needs to set up the up and the right. Does it need to set those up here? It does not end turtle in 0, 0. It ends it in 0, 1. With respect to... Do I need to set this up? I don't think I need to set this up, and I don't think I need to set this up either. Because if I have it... I think I can get rid of this. I think I can get rid of all of these. I'm gonna comment it out. But I think I can get rid of that, actually. So then I can change these to y minus 1, which makes sense because this says, like, A should be set to -1, the desired length, which I like. I like that that's consistent, you know? So this as well, we want to do y minus 1. Basically, everywhere there's -2, we want to change it to -1 for these, and change this to y minus 1. Change this to y minus 1. Or actually, change this whole thing to y minus 1. And then we want y minus 1 here as well. And... oh! Uh-oh. Okay, I might have morphed that. What is this for? Closing line on the odd layer. Well, we're probably going to redo a lot of stuff anyway, so it's probably fine. It's probably fine. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Brain broke. How long have I been going? Okay, 2:14. That's not too bad. I'll stream for more. I'll stream for more today. I did promise of doing a longer stream today, so maybe I go 3 hours. Actually, I could probably do that. What was I doing? Okay, so I need to figure out whether I want to... how I want to package this. Because I'm not sure I like the try line. I like this. This is very... wee. And I feel like this setup function can be simplified as well. Should I just do like setup left, setup right? But I have different setups for here. So maybe not. But like, I just don't like that these are so similar and they're these just like big chunky blocks of code. So, okay, if we're on the end of the first layer, then and that's going to be like, we're always going to have done a left row. So we do a right row, then a left row, then a right row, then a left row, then a right row, then a left row. So we're going to be facing us, right? Because we're standing, like, looking at the thing. So we turn left. What? Wait, what? We turn left? Oh, that's just a setup for an even dig line. I'm tripping, never mind. If I is not equal to x, yeah, because we don't want that in the x. This is like very erg. Also, why do we have z minus 2? I don't know if I like that either. I kind of... Like, this one makes sense, kind of. But, like, actually, why? What if we dug first? There was a reason I switched it. I think it's because of the overflow stuff. Because it ends on a dig. MS Paint, we need to look at something again. Because I don't like this idea where, like, you have the -1s. Like, if everything is going to be -1, why don't we just make it so that it's not -1? Do you know what I mean? So, okay, okay, I can't pan. I love that. If we have... let's do... I don't know, I made that so big. Okay, we'll just do something like this. Okay, so we have 4. So the way that we're currently doing it is if we want to dig 4, the first one is already dug, and the turtle is standing... Where's the turtle standing? The turtle is standing here initially. So that would be our initial position. Right? And then we move forward... So we move forward at 1, and then we dig, and then we dig. And then here we're at 2, and then 3, and then 4, and because we're at 4 and we moved forward, we... Okay, I don't want to save that. Muscle memory. Sorry, I'm just going to close all these. These are all FTB stuff. I don't need that up. So, okay, what if, crazy idea, we started the turtle without digging anything? So the first thing it would need to do is dig. And that would be on, so at 1, it's going to be here. Because we're talking about the start of, should I say the end of 1? Yeah, we should say the end of 1. So it's gonna move into here, and then it's gonna dig again, and then it's gonna be here, and then it's gonna dig again. So this is like digging then moving, digging then moving. It's gonna be here, and then so when we're at 3, we still want to dig, and we want to move again. So at 1, we move here. So 3, we move here. So if it equals 4, so if, like, position equals 4, don't dig. And then we're chilling, right? Is there any reason I would do it the other way instead? Like, because then I can get rid of this, like, setup. There is no setup then. It just does this. Fuck it. Fuck it. I have an older version of this anyway. Hi, Animal Hero 1. Oh, thank you for the follow.
Animal Hero 1 has
Okay, I don't think it pronounced your name right. Hiryu? Hiryu? That's a cool name. That's an all caps hi. That's a great hi. It's an excited hi. Sorry, I'm like just coding today. So maybe that's hype, maybe that's not hype. It's a French name. I figured. It's cool. I took French. It means happy animal. Aw, that's beautiful. I love happy creatures. How's your day going? I hope it's going well. It's a funny question to ask, isn't it? I always wonder what brings people into my streams sometimes. Like, yeah, I'm in the Minecraft tag. With a giant code window on my screen. Coding looks so hard. It's okay. This is, if anything, if you want to get into coding and you like playing Minecraft, this is actually a really good mod. I'm just like doing something that's really dumb. How am I? I'm pretty good, except this code is kind of like, you know, it's coding. I just don't understand what was going through my thought process. The thing is, like, I could go and check the VODs because I wrote this code on stream. I could see what was going through my thought process, but I don't remember. What is turtle? So we have these little guys in this one mod. I'm playing modded Minecraft, by the way. It's got a whole bunch of mods in it. We have these little dudes. This turtle's name is Mom. But I have a bunch of other ones. So this is this little guy. And you can program them and you can tell them to, like, break blocks and stuff. So, like, for example, I have a program on this guy. If we put it down somewhere fun, this should work. If I have them dig, then... Oh, they're going over lava! It's okay, they're not gonna fall, but oh, that scared me. If I have them dig, then they go and they dig out a bunch of dirt for me, and they can pick up all the blocks, and so I don't have to do the digging. The funny thing is, though, is this is incredibly less efficient than doing the digging myself because I had to spend hours and hours writing this code. I cheat. Okay, Umbra can attest. Umbra is one of my mods and also plays on the server with me. This is, like, the worst way to cheat ever. Okay, I spent, like... Umbra also said I was cheating, by the way, so, you know, you two are in the same boat. But I spent so long. It would have just been so much easier to go and, like, make a giant mining laser or something. Yeah, it fucking sucks ass. It makes my heart happy, okay? I need to have my evil empire of turtles that go out into the ground. And look at how much space. You can see on the mini-map, all the gray. That's all stuff I've dug out. Where's the best part? I can do like 10k more blocks in the same time a turtle mines 20. Yeah, but I can just have them go forever, is the thing. You have to actually mine it by hand. So, you know, checkmate, liberals. I've done this. This is my magnum opus part. Barely. No, I know. You also have all draconic armor, so, like, you're unkillable. I don't know Minecraft. Oh god. I'm so sorry if this is your first introduction to Minecraft. This is not what normal Minecraft is. I just played a little when I was a kid. This is like Minecraft on engineering steroids. I'm a mechanical engineering major, and I love just, like, making dumb engineering things in Minecraft. Like my bee dome. But yeah, we're just chilling out. We just code a little. We just hang out. You know, hopefully very chill stream, except for when I get mauled over my code. I did build a quarry earlier. My math teacher played Minecraft also. Oh, that's so funny. I'm not a teacher yet. I bet there's gonna be a day where I'm like, you know, I'm gonna be a professor and then, or teacher, and I'm just gonna be like, ha, remember the days where I wasn't an actual professor, and then I'm gonna laugh at myself. No, I'm simply a little engineer guy. Okay, well, I can't break this guy because he is right over lava, and he will fall in, and I will be sad. In what do I want to become a teacher? I'm probably not going to be a teacher for, like, a while. It would probably be something I did when I was older. Older as in, like, not retired, but, like, done with building career type stuff. Because I'm a I'm an engineer, so I would probably teach either math or physics or both. How old am I? I'm like 20. I'm not out of college yet. I'm in undergrad. But I have one lecture on YouTube on an introduction to limits. And it's pretty good. And I like or love math. I enjoy math. Senile old man Damie. Damie is 45. Yeah, I'm actually 90. I'm actually 90, guys. You study math? Oh, what math are you in? Are you a math major? We get a lot of math majors. I think it's because I'm in the math tag, you know? And that makes a lot of sense. You go to the second year. I'm not sure what that means. But, hell yeah, second year. Oh, is that just like a general, like second year math maybe? Study in France. Oh yeah, there's another guy, a real OG around here. Storm is a French math major. He's very cool. Also gives me a lot of very hard limits to do, and I'm like, Storm, I'm not a math major. He's like, just do them, and I'm like, you know, I'll try. I'll try. I can't believe it's gonna be my birthday soon. It's like the second year in college. Yeah. That makes sense. You did a part on linear algebra? Yes! I love linear algebra. Linear algebra is like, actually maybe it is up there in terms of my fave stuff. I really, really, really like it. I think it's very beautiful. And like very concrete. Also, just 3D space is so fun. 3D space is so fun, and like, honestly, multivariable calc is like, it really didn't get into it enough. And I feel like linear algebra filled that hole in my heart that I needed. I need 4D also. I'm gonna grab some zinc. I honestly just need more metals in general. Okay, let's see. So, me changing my code that I've had for a year. Do I do math on stream? I do math on stream, absolutely. I also have a YouTube channel if you want to like actually watch math videos that I've done right now. But my basic schedule is like the summers I have off, unless I'm taking summer classes. But throughout like the whole rest of the school year, I do like math and physics and engineering, and I am probably, I'm not going to be doing math next quarter. I mean, I'll be doing math, but I won't be doing, like, only math. Because I actually, I'm on my last math class. I only have one math class left to take in my major, my degree, which is very sad to me. But I'm gonna math minor, so I'll take some, like, later, but I don't know where they'll fit in my schedule. But that just means I'll start doing, like, lectures and stuff like that, and just kind of general math stuff. I like, oh, let me drop my YouTube if you do want to see my, because I have, what's up? It's boring, because it's, like, it's me uploading, like, my backlog of stuff that I keep forgetting to upload, of VODs. But it is, like, Calc 3, I have stuff up there for, okay. So, you know, polar and, yeah, that kind of stuff. Physics, computer science, philosophy, and English. I do a lot of physics. I have statics. To become engineer, I love engineers. I'm an engineer. I can't wait till I get to upload my drafting VOD. That is one of my favorite VODs. It's so dumb, but like, I had a really good time doing that. I kind of miss hand drafting. Maybe it's like, you know, the masochist in me, but I kind of miss it. Okay, let's switch this. Let's do dig. So we'll do this. We'll start with turtle.dig. chemistry also, but I don't like... Oh, you don't like chemistry? I have to take chemistry as well. Also, I shouldn't be doing turtle.dig. I should be doing dig. Maybe that's why I was having some issues. So we dig, and then we do... Well, we should do an if. So... Just gonna steal this, actually. Oh, and it's a left row. I'll have to think about that real quick. So, if it's not equal to A... Right, let me just check my little diagram here. If the position is 4, then don't dig. Yeah, so if it's not equal to A, then we don't dig that. This is going to change, I just realized. My videos are cool. Oh, thank you. I haven't actually started doing, like, edited videos yet, so I'm sorry. They're all just, like, streams. You like the vibes of my stream? Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, we're getting back soon. My quarter starts in roughly about a month, so a couple more streams. I am also updating my stream stuff. I'm gonna re-debut with a new model and new layout and stuff, so I'm very excited about that too. And then we'll like get to do statics and, you know, other fun engineering stuff, and hopefully I'll get to do some I really want to do some more physics stuff as well. I like to do abstract kind of explorations of, like, math. So it's not like, okay, time to just do a bunch of problems. Although I do problem sets on stream as well, just so I can get through them sometimes. Like, I think my other favorite VOD from recent memory, which is not uploaded, is the one where I did it so late. And I was doing, like, my phase space stuff, and I was trying to prove this one differential equation thing, and I was just so out of it, and I was, like, scribbling furiously because I figured out where I made the mistake, and I was like, it's done! That was my magnum opus, truly. What do I currently study in physics? Post-it? Yeah, I'll get there, don't worry. So I'm taking statics next quarter, which is, like, it's basically just, like, mechanics, but with more variables and stuff in 3 dimensions. So we're gonna get back to doing linear algebra because I am not doing those systems of equations by substitution. We're on a linear algebra lockdown for that. So that'll be exciting, and lots of trig stuff too, probably. Hey, Umbra. But yeah, it's so nice to see a fellow engineer. I also have to take chemistry. I'm doing thermochem, so that should be interesting. Ooh, induction? Oh, like proofs by induction? Oh yeah, Umbra does robotics. Umbra's swag. Oh, electromagnetic induction. Yeah, of course. That's so cool. I actually because I took physics 3 again, and Rev's psychology. Rev's our resident, I was gonna say liberal studies, not liberal studies. Human person. All of us are the machine, and then Rev is the flesh. Evil things. That's what I'm thinking right now. Okay, so if it doesn't equal A, then we dig, and then we want to move forward, so turtle.forward. And then... So yeah, it starts 1 out. And then, so it's going to move 1. Oh, that is one thing we need to figure it out. You just call me a lib. I never did Lua, I only know Java and Python. It's basically just Python, with, like, different syntax. Lua is stupid. Don't learn Lua. It's not a very good language. I only use it because it's just what this mod uses. If I had the choice, I would choose anything else, I'm gonna be honest. So, okay, the thing about this is that I think I see why. I Can I have my Discord? Yeah, of course. I do have a Discord server also if you want to get stream pings. And then also just like feel free to DM me if you have like questions. I do for anybody who's in there, like for people I know, because it hasn't, like, I don't get a crazy amount of questions or anything. Like if you have trouble with a physics problem or math problem or something, like you're more than welcome to either send it in there or just ask me about it. Okay, so I see why I did the moving forward first now. But I also don't want to do it like that. Is there a way? No, I see why I did it first now. I see why I did it first now. Because if I did it the way that I'm talking about, you'd have to... I wonder if there's a way to have the best of both worlds. So if we dig first... Yeah, it can't do that. It has to do the other way. Because it needs to be contained within the block. And if it doesn't have a space to be, then it can't be there. If that makes any sense. That probably doesn't make any sense. Because it's going to end up being... let me show on my thing here. Like, if we dig first, this is like great for the first one, right? Because there's a block here, and we're right outside the block. But then on consecutive ones, we're going to be in this first block already. What if I got contained within the block? Well, I would simply mine my way out. Would I be scared? I would not be scared. I would be so level-headed because I know what my code is doing now that I've commented my code and practiced good coding practices. Smiles evilly. Well, okay, time to bring that back. Okay, well this should just be dig. That is important. That should be a dig. And this should also be a dig function, because dig as a function is different than turtle.dig, because I have defined a dig function to be this. Okay. So I guess that's fine. That's just fine. It'll have to be -1 the desired length. Size, a little sadly. But this is a lot better. This is a lot better. I don't know why I was doing -2 the whole time. That's actually kind of weird. So the Z height thing is also, I don't think, correct. Because I think it needs to be mod, and not just Z -2. And I don't remember if I just did that because, like, I didn't want to have to put a Z input. So if I want it to be 3, this should be like, I want it to be 3 tall. I want it to be 2. No. Okay. I think we should make a second set of variables. Yes. My brain is really big right now. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna have an input X equals something, an input Y equals something, and an input Z equals something. So these are all things that, like, we get to define. Like, we want it to be this big, and we don't have to worry about, like, the jargon that happens in the actual programming. So our input X, I want it to be 8 wide, because that's how many wide it is. For the Y, I want it to be 4 deep. And for the Z, I want it to be... how tall is our Z? It's kind of hard to tell because we have these ridges, like ruffles. Ruffles have ridges. Sorry, I'm not sponsored. Okay, wait, this is so random. But it is about sponsors. I keep wanting to do, like, you know how Squarespace sponsors, like, every single person ever? And, like, they're Squarespace, and they're, like, not that good? I really want to do, like, a fake, like, Squarespace type sponsorship, but like just with NeoCities, and be like, you can make your own website actually for free right now, and you can do whatever you want forever. I really want it. What the heck? Oh, my shaders. NeoCities based. I just think it'd be really funny. I also was thinking about it, like, if I was going to script it, and then I was like, I should write fuck Squarespace in it. But then I realized, like, if Squarespace ever saw one of my videos and they saw me say fuck Squarespace, they wouldn't pay me any money. Not that I want money from Squarespace, but, like, I just thought it would be, it's just really funny to think about. Okay, how tall are these? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. So we want the input to be 4. Alright. Okay, we've got that. So we're gonna translate them into this. So, like, this is going to be, we're gonna do a little, like, something here with a function to say, like, x equals, you know, input x divided by whatever. So our x is defined as 2. So how much? Okay, if we have this loop as 1, we're gonna dig a right row, and then we dig. So we dig a. Going back to MS Paint. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm going to say okay a million times. So we dig a right row. So that means this gets dug out. That's a square. And this gets dug out. And then we go here. And this gets dug out, and this gets dug out. So this is the right row, and this is the left row. Wait, I have to do the engineering thing. That is so abysmal. Okay, so it's chunks of 4, which is so bad. That's such a bad practice. Really, I should make it be chunks of 1, and then, because they're kind of the same thing, just in 2 different ways. What if I did that? What if I had... Okay, wait a second, chat. Wait a second. What if I had, like, a Boolean in the function that, like, switches every time from left to right, because it's going to switch from left to right every time? And then, like, the Boolean would house the 2 different sides? And so then we can just call it once, instead of calling it, like, a million times? And then we can also fix the setup? That sounds kind of good, actually. Wait a second. That sounds kind of good. Okay, how would we do that? So we just call it, like... I like that I'm still in Minecraft. Get out of Minecraft. Get out of here. We're gonna code, baby. Code lockdown. Okay. So we don't want to have a left row and a right row. We want to have a function that's just row. And we're gonna input an A. So... we want to have this. So a 4. So 4, j equals 0, a 1, and then a do, because Lua is awful, and then an end. Perfect. Okay, so perfect. Now, we want to keep track outwardly, like, quote-unquote globally, of this, like, whether it's a left or a right to start out with. So let's create a thing here. This is going to be input x divided by 4, by the way. Y is just going to be y. And then z is going to be something. I don't know. It's gonna be something. I don't know why it's 3. I don't know why it's 3. It doesn't matter. It's 1, I think. I think it's divided by 4 as well. I don't know. It's something. Okay. So we need to have a... like a row direction boolean. Do I need to set something special to make a boolean in Lua? God, I hate Lua. Sorry. How do I... Wait, what? It didn't... Wait, what? Okay, that's not useful. It just said booleans have 2 types. I just wanna... I literally just want to... This is making me insane. Oh god. Okay, here, wait. You guys have to see this. You guys have to suffer with me. It's giving me free software development course. Not what I want, actually. Let's try this one. Oh, okay, it's just true. Okay. We stay winning with Python-type syntax. It just is true if it's true. Okay, so it's gonna be... Let's say that... What's our convention? Should true be right? We live in a right-handed world. True equals right. False equals left. I'm spelling false wrong. Oh my god. That was embarrassing. Don't look at that. Okay, so it's going to start off with true. So when we do a row, it's always going to dig first, and then it's always going to go forward, and then it's always going to do this thing. I'm just going to steal this, and then it's always going to... Oh, this is so good. This is so good. This is consolidating so much. Dig up. And then we want to say, if row direction, then end. This will be dig right. And then I want to do like a... is there a case statement in Lua? Case statement in Lua? Switch statement? Whoa! Oh no. Oh no. We're gonna do an else if, actually. How do I do an else if in Lua? Else if Lua. Sorry, I saw a crazy thing. Oh, perfect. Else. Dig left. Perfect. We're chilling. That's beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of these two then. And I'm going to keep this to the right or left. Row direction is set, alternates with every row. Now that might be a bad idea. Let me just look. I feel like we should just look at some MS Paint to see if like it actually would alternate as we go up, because definitely it alternates every time we want to go back and forth right here. But I'm not quite sure if because then we can also figure out a a generalized setup statement, and I like that a lot. So let's see if we have, oh boy, there's a square tool. There's a square tool. Okay, if we have this, we'll do 3, I think, just because, you know, there's also just a line tool. Technology is incredible, isn't it? Okay, so let's see. As we go... Oh, this is like a little cropped. There we go. So we'll go here. We're gonna go here. I'm gonna represent these moves with arrows, and I'll represent the other thing with just an X. So we dig here, we dig here, we dig here. And this is a right row. Then we're going to go here and here. And then we go here, and we go here. And all the while we are digging left. So that is a left row. Now when we go up, so the weird thing is we need to cap this, right? That's the first part. Or not, actually. We don't need to cap it, because we can do the tri-line thing. I don't know if that is more or less effective if we do a tri... I mean, a tri-line is definitely more effective, so efficient in terms of materials usage. And so if we were to pretend that this is a new layer now, we're like on this next layer up, we are going to be doing a right row. So that is always going to alternate, even if it is a tri-line or not. So we should probably have a clause in here that's like, if it's a tri-line row, do this. And I might be able to just have an input that says like a boolean to have it be try or not. And when I say tri-line, the reason why I say it's try instead of by, because it's the idea of a tri-line row is it knocks out this and this at the same time, is because it also is knocking out the top on every single one. So every row is like, each row redo is kind of like a byline row in and of itself. Okay. I like that. I like that. Yeah, and having a variable to denote whether or not that row is going to be try or by is pretty good too. Because that cleans up like a lot of the code and creates a lot of non-redundancy as well, which is nice, And like we're reusing the chunks that we've already made. My game stinks? No, this is awesome. I love this. I love gaming. Okay, I have been going for like 3 hours, so I think this is a good place to wrap up. So next time, we'll try and do the... Does gaming love me? Does gaming... I hope gaming loves me. I hope I'm loved by gaming. Oh, I'm doing yawn. Blinks. Next time, robots. More robots. We'll write the tri-line case switch. We'll see if this code even runs at all. That would probably be a good idea. We can fix the other issues that exist. We can try and make it so that it's not only even numbered things, although I'm probably just going to use it even numbered, so like it doesn't matter. I'm just clearing out a whole bunch of space. And also we haven't even gotten to the actual deployment of multiple robots, which is like kind of the hard part, but I think fixing this is also a good thing because it makes it easier for me to do stuff, you know? So yeah, I'll be back Tuesday. And we're doing the Tuesday Friday thing so that like you don't really have to wait too long for me to stream again. And yeah, I think that's everything, really. Oh, and you know, it's I stream on Fridays because Drown Him Friday, right? It's a holy day. I love gaming, and oh, I forgot to add I need to somebody just remind me, say like model Drown Him Friday, and I will remember that because I need to add something for that. Oh, Umbra's on. Wait, let's play some Minecraft for a little bit. What are you even doing, Umbra? You're like done with everything. Running in circles? There are a lot of mods you can still try. Okay, do I have all my BOBOTS? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, where's Rev? I need to steal him back. Where is he? There he is. Just cobble and granite. Actually, you could have picked up some of the other stuff. Let's see, how are the leaderboards looking? Oh, God. I've broken the 300 hours. That's a lot of hours of one game. Last scene. Where's Rev? Rev, you're last. 350 days? We've had the server that long? Oh, God. Oh, God. That's scary. That's a long time. I mean, I guess its 1 year anniversary has probably already happened. I found a bunch of pristine princesses just hiding away in my chests on the overworld, by the way, and I was like, oh my God, why did I not just like why did I not pick those up like a million years ago? Are you in the overworld, Umbra? You're probably in the overworld. Let me go to the overworld. I still need to finish my jank-ass cathedral ceiling. What? Oh, I couldn't see your chat message. Why did I not, bruh? Don't know what that's referring to. This is one of my biggest conundrums. I really like the idea of having like a queen converter. I built literally one thing in my new home. I really like this system for queen conversion, especially if I mess one up. But like practically, it's just not super useful. Like, I don't remember why I was having to convert so many back. It would be nice. What I'd rather have is a system where, like, queen converter, call that testosterone, literally. This is the trans B place. I feel like it would be nicer to have one system where, like, where there is a hive, and I can, like, pick which queen type I want and put in a queen, and then it comes out. And it's not, like, all of the separate ones that are going at once. Because this production also is already redundant because I have the cold production, quote-unquote, combination of cold storage and production, which is every type of... I thought I heard something. Every type of queen. Oh. Oh no, I built sky over it? No, the tree grew! Are you kidding me? How long have these not been able to work? No, my tin! That's so sad. God damn it, I have to trim this tree back. That is so sad. Because I planted this tree, like, recently. Sorry, dudes. Did that fix it? Yes, okay, thank God. Woof. Well, yeah, I have all that, so I don't really need those, but, like, I can't bring myself to get rid of them. I think I want to film, like, a little short or something, like, for YouTube on that specific setup for the queen converter, because it is, like, really useful at the beginning, or, like, if you want to have a bunch of a type of queen, but you don't want to do it by hand. It's just that I've found, like, that when I'm doing my mutations now, I just don't find myself messing up, like, and losing the queen that much, so... Anyway. Yeah, Umbra, we should, like, hang out in VC sometime and play some craft. That'd be fun. This is my insane... I love this insane pipe system. This insane pipe system is also wrong, and I would like to redo it, because let me show you something. Okay, here is a hive with no queen. It has random drones in it, from halfway across the aisle. This system kind of relies on the fact that you have a buffer of the same drone. Umbra, are you calling me right now? Umbra, I'm gonna end stream now. You can't call me now. I'm gonna end stream now, Umbra. Next stream, okay? Well, okay, if you want me to code, and if I want to code, I probably can't call, but, like, if you want to do part of it, because I have to talk out loud and think a lot, and I can't, like, be chatting away. But yeah, maybe I'll redesign this pipe system. I'm crying. I'm so sorry, Umbra. It's okay. It's not you, it's me. I don't know if I ever showed... I feel like I've definitely showed this in bits and pieces, but, like... I have grown an artificial forest in the mining dimension. It's flat everywhere else. I just grew so many trees here that it's become a forest. Which is something I always wanted to do in Minecraft, but I've never really done. But, like, it's a forest. I hung up on you. I know I'm ending stream, Umbra. That's why. This part is crazy. All these eucalyptus trees. Sorry, I just wanted to flex my awesome forest that I made. It's really cool. I didn't realize I could just do that. I get wood here a lot. Like, for various chests and things I need. Alright, I'm gonna wrap up then. I will see you guys on Tuesday. Again, the schedule is just gonna be Tuesday, Friday. I'm probably just gonna play FTB until I go back to school. And then we'll probably do, like, statics, I'm guessing. We might get to do, SolidWorks stuff. I don't remember if I ever streamed SolidWorks stuff. But I should, because it's fun. Are you pinging me again? No, someone's pinging me in here. Alright. I'm going to head out now. I hope everybody has a great day. I'll be back later. Stay safe. Stay cool. It's still hot out. See you on Tuesday. Bye.